guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a comment section to your WordPress websites. Let's begin. First, log into your accounts and make sure to use the Google option to easily access your dashboard. Once inside, head over to the edit side over here. Left click on that. This will redirect you to the page editor. Then click on the plus icon on the top portion. Click on this and I want you to search for the comment block on search field. Okay. So here, this is what we need. We can now easily add this to your website. Okay. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And there we go. Then you can go ahead, place this with anything you want, configure these texts to your style and preferences. And once you're satisfied, make sure to hit save over here to publish your changes. And that's it. You have now successfully added a comment section to your website. I hope you found this video very helpful.